Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel, Mental Health Sanctuary. We appreciate the support and love you've given us, which has allowed us to continue exploring the field of everyday psychology. Today, we will be discussing color psychology and the connection between a person's favorite color and their personality. It's a common question to ask someone about their favorite color, and every person's mind is unique, making it hard to create a set of rules that apply to everyone. The color preference can be linked to overall behavior, but did you know that favorite colors also indicate personality traits? We'll be discussing these associations in this video. Number 1. Red. The color red is often associated with emotions such as passion, desire, and aggression. People who prefer red are typically outgoing, adventurous, and enjoy being the center of attention. They have strong emotions and are not afraid to express them to others, whether positive or negative. They tend to live by the motto, speak less, do more, and have an action-oriented approach to life. Due to their natural leadership abilities, they often command respect from others. Number 2. Green. If green is your favorite color, it may indicate that you have strong time management skills due to your ability to quickly prioritize tasks. You are also open-minded and curious, always seeking to learn new things and increase your knowledge. Additionally, you tend to hold firm opinions and are not easily swayed by others. Green is commonly associated with nature, good luck, and fertility, but can also symbolize negative emotions such as jealousy and greed. According to research, people who prefer green often place great importance on their reputation and the way they are perceived by society and actively participate in public life. Number 3. Black. The color black is often associated with power and control. Those who prefer black are often seen as serious and even intimidating. Wearing black clothing is said to signify a desire to be judged by one's inner qualities rather than their outward appearance. According to a 2020 study, black is also associated with independence and mystery. If black is your favorite color, others may perceive you as a private individual who keeps their emotions hidden and only shares them with close friends and family. Number 4. Blue. Blue is often associated with feelings of peace and tranquility and is considered the most popular color. If blue is your favorite color, you may be described as reliable, calm, and loyal. You are able to stay level-headed even under pressure, and you place a high value on inner peace and truth. You tend to live according to your own ideals and beliefs. According to research conducted by Myers in 2018, people who prefer blue find fulfillment by thinking of others and putting their needs before their own. However, it's also suggested that this selfless mindset can sometimes lead to self-destructive behavior if one feels overburdened by high expectations and pressure to excel. Number 5. White. White is often associated with ideas of purity and innocence. According to research conducted by Myers in 2018, those who prefer white are typically very organized, independent, and logical in their problem-solving approach. They also tend to have an optimistic outlook and focus on the positive side of things, but can sometimes come across as uptight, self-righteous, and aloof, which can lead to a lack of popularity among friends. They may also have a tendency to be condescending toward others. Number 6. Orange. Do you consider yourself to be highly productive and enjoy working quickly to get things done? If so, your favorite color may be orange. Orange is often associated with energy, warmth, and enthusiasm, and may give you a sense of excitement and party-like atmosphere. People who prefer orange typically enjoy socializing, strive to be accepted and respected by groups, and have a similarly optimistic outlook on life as those who prefer yellow. They tend to have a clear black and white perspective on things and either commit fully or not at all to pursuits. Number 7. Purple. Do you remember the color of Rapunzel's royal flag in the movie Tangled? Purple is often associated with power, royalty, spirituality, and prestige. Historically, only monarchs and nobility could afford purple clothing, which is why it was often associated with these groups. People whose favorite color is purple tend to be helpful to others, but also value emotional security in their lives. They tend to be creative and appreciate unique things, desiring to stand out from the crowd. They may be known for being unpredictable, and the way people interact with them can be variable. It's also suggested that having both charisma and a calm exterior can help to achieve success. Number 8. Pink. Did the Pink Panther just come to mind when you think of the color pink? Pink is often associated with femininity, love, playfulness, and to a certain extent, immaturity, according to a study conducted in 2020. People whose favorite color is pink are good at expressing themselves and value love, family, and kindness above all else. They are compassionate towards those closest to them and can be relied on for emotional support. Pink is considered as the most common and sensitive color, which is why some institutions use it to paint walls to reduce aggression. Number 9. Yellow. When you think of the color yellow, does it remind you of the sun on a hot summer day, or perhaps the yolk of an egg on your plate during a favorite vacation? Yellow is often associated with feelings of happiness, sunshine, and laughter. People who have yellow as their favorite color tend to enjoy sharing with others while also expressing their individuality. They are lighthearted, have a positive outlook on life, but sometimes become overly optimistic. They rarely experience sadness, but when they do, it can last for several days. Research has shown that people who prefer yellow tend to be spontaneous and willing to take action, giving them an advantage over those who are indecisive. I hope you found this information about color psychology interesting and informative. Keep in mind that these are just generalizations and should not be used to make assumptions about someone based on their favorite color. Everyone is unique, and there are many factors that go into determining someone's personality. However, understanding the symbolism of colors can be a fun and enlightening way to gain insight into ourselves and the people around us. Remember that color is a powerful tool that can be used to express yourself and to create the life you want. Thanks for watching.